The maid who binds her warrior sash with smile that well her pain dissembles, the while beneath her dropping lash one starry teardrop hangs and trembles, though heaven alone records the tear, and fame shall never know her story. Her heart has shed a drop as dear as air bedewed the field of glory. The wife who girds her husband's sword mid little ones who weep or wonder, and bravely speaks the cheering word, what though her heart be rent asunder, doomed nightly in her dreams to hear the bolts of death around him rattle, hath shed as sacred blood as air was poured upon the field of battle. The mother who conceals her grief, while to her breast her son she presses, then breathes a few brave words and brief, kissing the patriot brow she blesses, with no one but her secret God to know the pain that weighs upon her, sheds holy